Hello, my name is Kim Hummer. I'm the Specialty Crop Curator for the USDA ARS National Clonal Germplasm Repository in Corvallis, Oregon. Today, I'd like to show you how to load images to GRIN. At the NCGR Corvallis, we have many images of our accessions. One example is Rugen strawberry image we have here on the left side of the screen. We'd like to load that up to GRIN so that it can accompany our information about Rugen strawberry. We have a nice way to upload information thanks to Marty Reisinger of the GRIN team. He has created an easy way to move images from our desktop or our laptop straight to GRIN. First, we have to re-identify the image. This Rugen strawberry, for example, was collected on the 20th of June, 2006, and it has an image number. So we want to reference that image with the PI number, the Corvallis local number, using the inventory identifier. The identifier is composed of the inventory prefix, inventory number, inventory suffix, and the inventory type. So we looked up the PI number. For this accession, the PI number is 551508. The Corvallis local number is CFRA 66. The inventory identifier then is the IVP, IVNO, IVS, and IVT. So that full number is CFRA 66.001PL. We begin to rename the image using the PI and the inventory identifier. PI 551508, CFRA 66.001PL, and in between each of those variables, we put an underscore. Make sure that each variable is separated by underscores. Use the underscores to represent the spaces. Be exact with the spacing and the punctuation here. Next, what is the image date? It was taken on the 20th of June, 2006, but we need to put it in the format that GRIN can read, DD, and 4 digits for the year. So we add that to the inventory name, PI 551508, CFRA 66.001 PL, and then the date. And of course, after the date, we need to add an underscore. Then we add the type of image to the file name. You have to choose from one of these codes. In this case, we're trying to represent the fruit. So we add FRUIT to the end of the image name. This is a long name for the image. It includes the PI number, the inventory identifier, the date, the type, and the original name of the image. Next, we move the newly named image to an upload folder. In this case, I created an upload folder with the date and the time of the upload. In this case, I'm adding that image to this upload folder to accompany other images that are already in the folder. This way, we can upload a batch of images at one time. Also, this way you can check for the format of the names of the files to make sure that all of the underscores are where they should be. There's no extra spaces, that the dates have the right format, and you have the type of the image. In this case, they're all fruit images that are being uploaded. Make sure you only have the properly labeled images in this file. If there's any other images or folders in this upload file, that will cause some errors on the GRIN side. So double check your names. Common errors could be missing underscores, a missing period before the IV inventory suffix, missing image types. Make sure the dates are entered correctly. And if everything is okay, now you are ready to upload your images to GRIN. We connect with GRIN and we make sure that our lookup tables are updated. So we click over here and the update table comes up. Make sure that your update tables are completely green. Once that is updated, then we can go to Attachment Wizard. This upper tab that says Inventory Attachment Wizard. We click there and a new window pops up. Then we click on Browse, and that browse opens up a picture of your directory. You can scan down to the particular upload folder that you want to upload. In this case, we want to upload this particular folder. So that's highlighted and we click there. Next, do we want to make a new folder on the GRIN side? If you do, then click OK. Click Make a New Folder and then click OK. Wait for the green arrow that scrolls across the top. When that green arrow is done loading, sometimes it takes a number of minutes to upload. If you have lots of images that are being uploaded, then the images, if you want to see them, you can click on View Existing Images, this box here, and images will appear in this screen. Click Save. Then what I suggest is to go over, after you press Save, go over through Public GRIN to check on the images. You can do an advanced search and enter the local number of one of the images and do a search and see if the image has loaded to GRIN. So prior to the uploading process, there may be already some images on GRIN, or maybe there's none, but you have a view of what it looks like before. And then after saving the image, you see that the images have changed. So in this case, that image is now there. You can click on that image to see all the images that are present for the accession. Here is the image that you just loaded. So this has been a successful run of loading images to GRIN.